Have you ever wondered what would happen if our planet, this massive spinning top we call home, suddenly decided to take a 1-second break? For millennia, Earth has spun on its axis without fail, a silent, constant dance that dictates our days, our nights, and the very rhythm of life. We see its effects everywhere, in the bustling energy of our cities waking to the dawn, the tranquil ebb and flow of the oceans, and the peaceful stillness of forests bathed in afternoon light. Our world operates on this reliable, predictable motion. But imagine, just for a moment, that this cosmic clockwork falters. What if, for a single terrifying second, the Earth stopped spinning? Suddenly, without any warning, the unthinkable happens. The planet's rotation ceases in an instant. A violent, planetary-scale emergency brake. At the equator, the Earth's surface is moving at over 1,600 kilometers per hour, while the solid ground halts. The atmosphere, the oceans, and everything not fused to the bedrock do not. Due to the law of inertia, everything is violently flung eastward at supersonic speeds. This isn't a gentle push. It's an instantaneous, catastrophic launch. Buildings, monuments, and infrastructure would be ripped from their foundations and shredded into a supersonic storm of debris. Forests would be flattened, with trees torn from the ground and sent flying like colossal javelins. Humanity and all surface life would be swept up in this horrifying, high-speed tempest. A global wipeout in the blink of an eye. The cataclysm wouldn't stop there. The world's oceans, vast bodies of water with immense momentum, would surge forward, creating tsunamis of unimaginable scale. These would not be the coastal waves we know. They would be walls of water, miles high, sweeping across entire continents at incredible speeds. Coastal cities would vanish in an instant, and the surge would travel hundreds, even thousands of miles inland, scouring the land clean. Simultaneously, the immense stress on the planet's crust from the abrupt stop would be catastrophic. The friction would generate an unfathomable amount of heat, while the tectonic plates, no longer guided by rotational forces, would grind and collide. This would trigger earthquakes of a magnitude we can't even measure and awaken every dormant volcano on the planet. The sky would quickly turn black, choked with ash, dust, and the vaporized remains of our world. Then, just as suddenly as it stopped, the Earth would resume its rotation. After 1 second of stillness, the planet lurches back into motion. This would cause another violent jolt, this time in the opposite direction. Any structures that miraculously survived the initial stop would now be annihilated by the sudden acceleration. The colossal tsunamis, still in motion, would be met by opposing forces, creating chaotic, churning seas that would further reshape the continents. This second jolt would compound the destruction, grinding the rubble into finer dust and ensuring nothing on the surface remains intact. What would be left is a scene of utter desolation. Viewed from space, our once vibrant blue marble would be a scarred, unrecognizable sphere. Continents would be redrawn, submerged under a turbulent global ocean, and the entire planet would be shrouded in a thick, dark veil of dust, hiding the ruins of a world that was. This is the fragile balance we live in, a delicate dance on a spinning sphere, where even a 1-second pause means the end of everything as we know it.